Yo, 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 you just landed on IQS. Are you ready for the challenge? Today game is Guess the Animal by the Emojis. We've got 15 emoji puzzles for you, and you've got only 10 seconds to solve each one. Every correct answer earns you 1 point. So, do your best and see if you can reach a perfect score. Alright, don't forget to subscribe. And now, let's kick things off in 3, 2, 1, go. Which animal is shown here? Absolutely correct. It's the deer. Fast and elegant. Absolutely correct. It's the deer. Fast and elegant. You nailed it. A sea lion. Can you solve this one? Yahoo! That's a porcupine. Which animal do they represent? It's a kangaroo. What about these two emojis? Tada! It's a swordfish. What do you think this one is? It's a frog. Well spotted. Moving on to the next one. It's a dung beetle, a tiny rolling bug. Can you crack this emoji puzzle? It's a pig, easy one. Exactly, that's a snowy owl. Guess the animal from these emojis? It's a lion. Can you identify this animal? Amazing, it's a peacock. What animal is it? A penguin, slow and steady. Which animal comes to your mind first? It's a jellyfish. It's got no brain. Aha! It's a cheetah, the fastest land animal. Time to guess the animal. Watch out, it's a tiger. Let's move on to the next one. It's a rattlesnake. Listen to that tail shake.